Hi everybody, welcome to the Baker's Passport. I'm Hart Hoffman, the editor-in-chief of Bake From Scratch, and a global traveler, always looking for the delicious things to eat. Today, I'm in southern Italy along the Amalfi Coast here at Felicia's home restaurant. If the view isn't enough, the lemons growing on the trees and the tomatoes popping off the vine will certainly set the stage for a delicious day here. I can't wait to show you and for you to meet Felicia. It's going to be an amazing day.
Buongiorno e benvenuti nella mia casa, qui nel Casale di Felicia.
After arriving at the home that has been in Felicia's family for 200 years, I'm greeted by her daughter, Giovanna, who takes us on a stroll of the garden where she shared stories about their family and the history of their beautiful home.
Uses these in the kitchen.
Wow, it smells just like lemon.
Yeah.
We start out learning the art of pasta making. Although we don't speak the same language, that didn't stop us from connecting through the shared language and love of cooking and making food together. Beautiful. With pizza being native to the region, of course the day wouldn't be complete without making our own margherita pizza. After a full day of cooking with Felicia, we are ready to enjoy the fruits of our labor. The beautiful garden is the perfect spot to enjoy the delicious pasta and pizza that we've prepared, along with some wine too. What a delicious day here at Felicia's home restaurant, and I can't think of a sweeter way to finish than with this amazing lemon tiramisu. So good, I could stay here forever. Look at the view, the amazing outdoor kitchen. It's heaven. I don't even want to say bye, Felicia, so I'm going to leave it at this. Ciao, Felicia. It was an amazing time. Good, too.